An all-new Eye on the Bay starts right now. The best vegetarian restaurants around the Bay Area. A hit vegetarian deli in San Jose.
Do you have to be a vegetarian to eat here?
No, absolutely not. You can be an omnivore. We have lots of omnivores at our restaurant.
Vegan fast food in Burlingame.
For me, vegan is the way to go because I feel so much better.
A raw organic restaurant in Berkeley.
It's a very energizing way to eat.
And Liam samples the best vegan ice cream you'll find anywhere.
That is sensational.
It's vegetarian cuisine at its finest. Next on Eye on the Bay.
Hello, welcome to Eye on the Bay. I'm Liam Maitland. It's our Vegetarian Eats edition of the show. At your request, we've found some great vegetarian restaurants all over the Bay Area. Our next stop brings us to Burlingame. We're off Broadway and a fast food joint where everything here is vegan. That means, of course, no meat, no dairy products, and the food here is so fresh, it's raw. And let's go and meet the lady who makes it all happen. Alicia, great to see you.
Thank you.
Food that is so fresh, it's raw. How so?
Well, that means that the food maintains all of its nutrients and enzymes, and it's not cooked above or heated above 110 degrees.
And that's good for the body.
Well, it's good for the body because the body gets all 100% of the nutrients from the food. The minute you start cooking food, the nutrients and the enzymes start to deplete. And nutrients and enzymes are very, very important for the body to assimilate, for the digestion, for the organs, the heart, everything.
The name of your store says it all, doesn't it? Que Sera, Sera. Such is life.
Such is life, que sera, whatever will be, will be. It's a good mantra for me, and one of the reasons I chose the name, because I have in the past tended to be a little serious, a little too much of a worrywart, and so I thought, que sera, sera, just let it go.
So what will people find here? They know this is fast food to go. This is unlike any fast food joint I've ever been to.
Well, they'll find everything from soups, salads, to pâtés and desserts. Everything is pre-packaged in individual sized containers, ready to take home and eat, or ready to take to lunch and eat, or some people just go right outside on one of the park benches out and eat there.
And what are the most popular items on your menu? What do people love most?
Well, I would say the most popular one is the kale salad. I have children who love the kale salad. I have mothers who come in here and tell me, my child is eating green. I cannot believe it.
Why is vegan the way to go?
When I started eating this way, my energy level just shot straight up. I have the energy I had when I was in college. Prior to eating this way, I was starting to notice some signs of aging, like in the joint area, particularly. Like I couldn't get up, stand up, and go really quickly, like I used to be able to. And that really ticked me off. And I didn't know if there was anything I could do about it. I started on raw. Within 3 to 6 months, the joint problem went away. I haven't had it since. I can walk. I feel good in my body. You know, I feel like I always thought I should feel. And better.
Roberta told me there were chocolates in the house, chocolate truffles.
There is chocolate in the house, and this I have to say is probably the only thing that's not raw, but it is organic, because I do use cocoa powder.
Well, you're making healthy, wholesome, seductive food. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
And you know what? I think I'm willing to give this this vegan thing a go. I am.
Really?
I really am. So
really?
Thanks very much. Thanks very much.
But Liam!
Thank you. Cheers. Okay. Good luck now. Good luck now.
Oh,
see ya.
See ya. Bye.